I'm Sue White, and I head up the SD-WAN NFV strategy and marketing in Netcracker. And what I've been really experiencing this event is that service providers have some very common problems. One of them, scale. They've deployed SD-WAN, and now they're starting to really ramp up with the number of enterprise customers they want on the networks, and that's causing them a lot of problems. Another one is multi-vendor. I think the initial systems that went in place were perhaps single vendor. Now they want a choice, or enterprises want a choice of SD-WAN vendors, but also value-added services. And then we're also hearing, in completely different areas of the network, other issues such as, well, what do I do in my transport network? We've spent a lot of time talking about how to modernize and bring new services to the network, but I actually have this transport network that's not very SDNized, and there's very little NFV in there. So there's some of the big things that we've been solving with MEF, and this is where MEF's LSO framework really comes into play. In Netcracker, we've invested heavily in working in the different APIs, so the Presto, for example, down to the SD-WAN controllers. We're showing that in our proof of concept here at MEF19 this week. It's been very popular because it's a challenge that service providers are facing today. And actually last year we had a similar proof of concept which uses the same MEF Presto API in the transport network to start to bring some automation in that domain, using model-driven approaches as well. And then if we look above orchestration, we're also looking at how to bring in the other APIs like Legato to actually, again, standardize on a set of capabilities that allow service providers and their customers to simplify how they order and represent all the different multi-vendors that they've got in their solution and can easily configure and give control to their enterprises. So we've really had a great time at this event. We totally appreciate the awards we won last night, which recognizes Netcracker for all the work we've done in this space, and really working with MEF to advance the standards and really help service providers move to the next level of automation, which is really critical in the industry right now.